Let's try the IKEA soft serve ice cream. It's only 10 pesos and you'll get this coin and cone after you pay. Then you have to go to the machine to get your ice cream. Just place the cone on the holder. Insert the coin. Then press the number 3 button. But then I forgot to remove the tissue from the cone, that's why it's not serving the ice cream. So I removed the tissue, then place it back. Then press the button again. And voila! I got my strawberry ice cream. Gotta go and give it to Arba now. Hey Arba! I have another ice cream for you. Come